Hi guys. This is the Jeep Cherokee and battery. I mean, it's not working. I'm gonna give the, uh, charge. I'm gonna jump it. I have a jumper cable, which this is the one, and always it should be separate. Two heads, it shouldn't touch to each other. And the other hand is same thing. It shouldn't touch each other. I have another car, that Toyota Camry, that I'm gonna use this my car to jump my Jeep. But if you don't have another car, and maybe you can knock the neighbor's door, and needs help, or just call your friend, and they can come and help you. Of course, you need one more car or another, help. So let's start it. First, what are you gonna do? Grab the red one. Just put it on the red terminal, and black is gonna go, as you see, black one right there. Just here, as you see, blacks go to black, and red goes to red. And other hand, and same as the other one. Let's go. The red one goes the red one, right there, and black goes the black terminal, as like this. Oh, sorry, not as like this. Okay. Now it's set up, and other things that, of course, nobody helped me. That I am alone, and I'm gonna start this car. Before starting the car, and you need this kind of rock that you can put on top of the gas pedal, little bit pushy. And then I'll start this car and go the other one. So several times this happened, and I succeed. This time also, hopefully I'm gonna succeed. If battery is so bad, then it's not gonna jump, it's not gonna charge. Then you need the new battery. But usually it's okay to charge this kind of problem. Yeah. So you have to start the car, which is battery is a nicer car. Then this one is gonna charge the other battery. Give 3 minutes, depends the situation, maybe 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. But in my case, I think it's gonna be okay. 2-3 minutes, maybe even though now if I go the other car, and it's gonna start. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes a little longer. Yeah, it's now I can leave it this car and go to my Jeep. So this is the technique that not the technique, but if somebody doesn't know this, and I'm trying to help those people, how you can jump your car. And this is the way it is. You have to have jumper cable always with you, and whenever you stop somewhere and you see that your car is not starting, just ask help to any driver, and they will help you. And at least you have a jumper cable, and you can put all the cables like this, as I shall show you, on all, as black goes black, and and red is the red one, and same the other way. So let's go and start it. Okay, sounds is good. Okay, now hopefully and starts. Oh, needs a little bit more time, I think, but almost there. As you hear that sound is, and I am gonna start, but I need more power, kind of that. It's you need to wait a little bit more, and let's go one more time. See, this is the way. That's it. Yeah, this is the way it is. It's gonna work like this. Oh, still I have to give the little gas because still needs little time. Still needs time. You have to push the gas after you start it and wait a little bit more. Another car also still on. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take it my feet from the gas. No, I have to give the gas. See, it's not shaky. Still needs time, but it started. You need more time, maybe a couple of more minutes. After it's done, you have to take a cable out same way, and blacks first, and after then red. Please don't. It shouldn't touch to each other. That heads are not. It shouldn't touch. So after that you are okay. So this is the way it is. Oh, still needs time. I'm sorry. I just want to go out and show how you can take the cables, but it still needs to charge. So this is the Jeep Cherokee 1996. My other car is Toyota, which is a nice car and doesn't give any problems. So hopefully this video gonna be helpful to you guys, and yeah, hopefully let's see.